Hey, what up everyone? This is Jay. So here we just got some Roman candles, some sparklers, nothing crazy. These are all just fountains. And here my daughter, say hi, Mimi. Say hi.
Hi.
There you go. We got the creepy neighbor over there on the side. That's pretty much it, guys. Just doing some fireworks here with my dad. Love a Roman candle pop. We got a decent amount of fireworks here, nothing crazy. Kind of a little bit of everything. I do have some stuff that the trash guys didn't pick up. We have mortars that we did last night. It was just some cheap shells that my neighbor brought over. Just cardboard, really, nothing kind of trash. Oh shit. Yeah, my dad's kind of drunk. But who isn't drunk at this time, guys? Come on. But anyways, awesome. One more. That's it. Go ahead, baby. Light it up, Pop. Light it up.
Where is it? Right there.
What you got there? Cigarro?
Yeah.
Alright, light it up, Pop.
There you go.
Right
India,
there, right
look
there.
at yourself.
Look at yourself, Pop.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Oh fuck, that was close. Alright, we're out, guys. Thank you.